Dear students, welcome to this session. In this session, we will discuss the traversal in graph. So, what is meant by traversal? It is nothing but order of visiting the nodes in a graph or order of visiting the vertices in the graph. Graph is a data structure. Data structure means a collection of elements. Collection of elements means we may need to what process the elements in a particular order. Okay, if the elements are stored in the list means we can access the elements linearly one by one, starting with the first node. Then we can process all the elements one by one. If I store that elements in the tree means we will start the processing nodes from the root. So from the root I can visit all the nodes. So similarly, whatever the data structures, okay, we need some order to process all the nodes. Okay, so that order only what called as the traversal in graph. Okay, so in which order I can visit all the elements. Okay, so that is a traversal in graph. It is an order of visiting the vertices in graph. In which order you are going to what visit. So basically in graph there are two kinds. One is the breadth first search, and second one is the depth first search. So which is called BFS and it is called the DFS. Breadth first search and depth first search. First we will discuss briefly what is a breadth first. Okay, consider a graph. Okay, so here the traversal can start with any node. Okay, we can start with what? Any node. Okay, suppose if we start searching a particular node from what? That S. So if you assume this is a starting node. What is a breadth first means? It is similar to what in the tree traversal. Breadth first means what? We will visit the nodes level by level or generation by generation. Okay, so if we start with S, first we need to visit all the adjacent nodes of what? The S. Before going to visit what? The next adjacent nodes of a particular node. It means that if we start with S means the adjacent nodes are what? R and W. So R and W will be what? Visited first. So that what? This and this will be what? Visited first. Because these two are the adjacent nodes. So what? First we visited that S. Next that adjacent nodes of what? S will be visited. In this order we can follow anyone. Okay, which one has to be visited? W or R means what? Anything we can use it. Suppose if we visit R and W, so followed by what? R and W. So we have started visiting that S, R and then what? W. So R and W is visited by what? That S. Okay. The next we need to go for visiting the adjacent nodes of what? R. So adjacent nodes of that R is what? The V and what? S. S is already visited. So we need to visit only what? The unvisited node V. So from that V we have from that R we have visited what? V. So the next visited node is what? V. So what? The V is visited by what? The R. Okay. The next we need to what? We have visited all the adjacent nodes of what? R. So next I need to go for visiting the adjacent nodes of what? W. So we should not go with what? V. Okay. So in that next node is what? W. The W unvisited nodes. Okay. So here the W unvisited nodes are what? Only the T and the X. Okay, S is the adjacent node, but the adjacent node is what? Already what? Visited. So I need to visit that T and X. So the T and the X are visited by what? The W. So I need to visit this and what? This. So 1 and 2 and 3 and then what? 4 and 5. The next I have to what? So W adjacent nodes are visited, completely visited. Next I need to go for what? Adjacent nodes of what? So S adjacent nodes are visited. Then R adjacent nodes are visited. And W adjacent nodes are visited. Next I need to go with what? V adjacent nodes. So we should not go for what? The T and X. So in that list what is there means that V. So V adjacent nodes has to be what? Visited. So it is just what? Level by level or generation by what? Generation. Inside depth first means if you start with that one adjacent node, for that yes, if I start with one adjacent node, either R or W, if you go with what? W, okay, the W all adjacent nodes will be visited before visiting what? R. Between these two nodes itself what? The R will be visited after completely visiting the W node. Completely visiting means what? All the adjacent nodes of the W will be visited before what? The R. This is the case in what? Depth first. But the breadth first means just to look at that adjacent nodes and visit it. Okay. So R and W visited. Then you go for the adjacent nodes of what? Next nodes. Okay. So now in that V adjacent node. So there is no adjacent node for what? V. So no need to what? Visit any nodes by what? V. We can skip. Then you go for the next node. Next node is what? Visited node is T. So I need to go for visiting the adjacent nodes of what? T. So T adjacent nodes W, X and U. The W is visited. And X is also what? Visited, which is visited by what? W. So I need to only visit what? U. So now U is visited by what? T. Okay. So that is the sixth one. So now what? I complete the T. Next I need to look for what? X adjacent nodes. The X adjacent nodes are what? W, T, U and Y. 4 adjacent nodes. In that 4 adjacent nodes, W, T and U are already visited. Okay. So the unvisited node is what? Only that Y. So the Y has to be visited by which one means what? That W, X. Okay. So Y has to be what? Visited by X. So this is what? 7. We should not stop. Then I have to go for what? X adjacent nodes are visited. So two pending nodes are, that is a U adjacent nodes. Okay. So any U adjacent nodes are there, we have to check it. Here T, X and Y, but all already what? Visited. Then you go for the Y adjacent nodes are X and the U. So that also what? Visited. So now no more nodes. So what? We have completely what? Visited. Okay. So completely we have processed. Okay. So if you, we can, this is that order, that is a breadth first order. So in this order, if you traversal, I can visit that nodes in this way. Okay. So the result of the breadth first search or depth first search is a tree. So we started with that S and R and W is visited by what? At S. And V is visited by what? R. And W will visit the T and the X. Okay. And then V will not visit anything. Okay. V will not visit anything. And then T will visit the U. And X will visit what? Y. Okay. So if you do that breadth first or depth first search, so that order we will get an tree. Okay, we start with the S and then R and W and then what? V, T, X and then U, Y. So breadth first what? Search we have done. So for that we need to write an algorithm and then we have to what? Do the breadth first search. So for implementing the breadth first search, okay, we will use that Q data structure. Okay. Similarly, for implementing the depth first search, we will use the stack data structure. Next, how to do the depth first search? Again, we'll assume it. We will start from what? Yes. Depth first means from the starting node, I need to look for the first adjacent nodes. I have to what? Just look for all the adjacent nodes R and W. From that R and W, I need to choose any one adjacent nodes, either R or what? W, and then I have to visit that node completely. Completely means what? All the adjacent nodes of that particular node has to be what? Visited. Suppose if I start with what? W instead of that R, if I start with the W. So first I have visited that S, and then if I start with the W, so I need to what? Visit the W first. And W is visited by what? S. And then next I need to what? Now that S is visited as a 1. And then next what? I have visited the W as the second. Okay. And then I need to what? Mark the starting time and finishing time in the DFS. Starting time means when you have started visiting that node. Okay, finishing time means when you have completely visited that node. Okay, completely visited means what? All its adjacent nodes are visited. It means it is a completely visited. Starting time means what? we have visited that node, but what? That the adjacent nodes of a particular node is not completely visited. It means that S is visited first. Okay, and then what? The yes all adjacent nodes have not been visited so far, so that what? We have not marked that finishing time. So it is started 1. The next what? We have visited the W, but W also what? Not visited what? Completely. So I should not go for that R now. So I need to come to the W, and then W adjacent nodes has to be visited first. So W adjacent nodes, there are two adjacent nodes, that is a T, X and S also that adjacent node, but it is already what? Visited. So I need to look for unvisited adjacent node. Unvisited adjacent node T and X. So I can go with what? Any one direction. Suppose if I go with this direction, that is a second. Okay, it means that the T is visited as a 3. Okay, so T is visited as what? 3. So next what? Order is what? T. So here then next what? The adjacent node is X, but you should not go for it. I have to what? Completely visit the T before going for what? X. Okay, so that what? I have to come to the T. I need to look for the adjacent node of what? T. Unvisited adjacent node of the T is X and U. W is already visited. Now I need to go in one direction, either here or here. Suppose if I start this one, okay, so next I have visited that U. U is visited as what? Fourth one. So U is visited by what? T. Okay, U is visited by what? T. So that only we have drawn this one. Okay, next T adjacent node U and X. Don't visit that U and X at a time. So first I need to completely visit that U. Then only you have to come forward that T. So U is not completely visited. So completely visited means what? Adjacent nodes of that U has to be visited before visiting that X. So you go to that U. You look for the unvisited adjacent node of the U. Unvisited adjacent nodes of that U is what? X and Y. So I need to visit one of the node first. Okay, so here X, among that X and Y, I am going to visit what? X. So that is what? 4th one. So X is visited as what? 5, and it is visited as a 5th node. Okay, so then I need to visit the y, but before visiting that what? I have to completely visit what? X. So we should not what? Y should not be visited by that u immediately. I should go for that x, and x has to be what? Visited completely. So go to that x. X unvisited adjacent nodes are what? W, T, U and Y. Among that unvisited adjacent node is what? Y. The W, T, U are what? Already visited. But those are what? Not completely visited. But they are visited. Okay. Completely visited means what? When it will be considered as completely visited means when it's all the adjacent nodes are what? Visited. Then it will be considered as what? Completely visited. Okay, so we have not completely visited these nodes, but it is what visited. So only that unvisited adjacent node is what? Y. So I need to what? Visit that. So sixth one is what? Y. So that what? Y is visited by which node means what? That X. The next what? I need to what? Only one adjacent node for that X. That is a Y. So I need to go for that Y because I don't know whether that Y is completely visited or not. So I should go for that YA. I need to check for the adjacent nodes of that YA. But there is no unvisited adjacent nodes of what? YA. It means that what? All the adjacent nodes are already visited. So that means what? I can finish that Y. So it means that Y is what? Completely visited. So I can mark the time. So sixth visited node is what? This YA, and 7 1 is what? The Y is what? Completely visited. So finishing time, if I mark the finishing time, it means that is completely visited. So all this adjacent, seventh step is what? All the adjacent nodes are what? Completely, all the adjacent nodes of Y visited. It means that Y is what? Completely visited. So that what I have marked this. So then I have to what? Go back. So once if it is completely visited, I need to go to the parent of that Y. So Y is visited by which node here? X. So I should go for that X. I need to look for any other unvisited adjacent node for that X. That is the procedure for what? Depth first. So you go to that X here back and then here you check for unvisited adjacent nodes. There is no unvisited adjacent nodes. So that I have to mark that X finishing time, that is 7 and then what? 8. And then I need to go back to that parent of that X. Parent of that X is what? U. So I have to go for that U. U unvisited adjacent nodes. Actually what? Before start visiting that X, Y is also what? Unvisited. But now when I reach that U after visiting that X, Y is also what? Getting visited. It means that no more unvisited node for that U. So that also what? Completely visited. So I have to what? Mark the finishing time. Finishing time is 8. After that what? 9. Okay. Then I need to what? Go to the parent of the U. So parent of the U is what? The T. So before what? Visiting that U, unvisited nodes of T is what? X and U. So we have traveled in that U. But what is the case that before visiting that U, X are also what? Unvisited. But after completing that U, completely visit that U, now X is also getting what? Visited. So no more what? Unvisited node for the T. So I can complete this. Then go to the parent of the T. Here there is no more what? Unvisited node. I can complete that what? The W also, that is what? 11. Then go back to the parent here S. So here when you come to the TS, you look at X, that only what? W is visited. It is not completely visited. One more adjacent, that is unvisited adjacent node is there. That is what? R. So I need to what? Visit that. So what? 11th finishing time is marked here. So that I need to visit that R as 12. So I have to continue this number. That is at 12. Okay, so here 6th edge is created like this. Okay, and 12th. So what I need to what? Completely visit that R before looking for the adjacent node of what? S. So go to that R. Okay, R unvisited adjacent node is what? Only that V. So I need to go with that V. Then only that finishing time of R will be finished, filled. So go to that V. So the V is visited. That's just to continue the number 13. Okay, and then here from that V I need to look for that adjacent nodes. The no more adjacent nodes, it means that V is completely visited. This is 7. V is now what? Completely visited. So after that YA, which node is visited? R, and then followed by what? V. So this is that DFS. Okay, so now what? 13. Now I need to what? Complete that finishing time. Finishing time is actually what? 14. Okay, then go back to the parent R, no more adjacent nodes. So just to what? Complete the finishing time as 15. Go to the parent. Here look for the adjacent nodes. There is no more adjacent nodes. You complete that finishing time 16. So the finishing time should be what? Twice of the number of what? Nodes. Number of nodes is what? 1, 2, 3, 8 nodes are there. So finishing time should be what? 16. Okay, so if I start with a particular node 1, okay, we have to start with 1. 1 means W, and W is T is visited by what? W. Okay, and then U is visited by what? T, and then X is visited by what? U, and Y is visited by what? X. Okay, and then R is visited by what? S, and V is visited by what? R. Correct. So if I draw this as a tree, S is the root, okay, and W and T and U, X, Y, and R is visited by S, okay, and V is visited by S. So V is visited by what? R. So we will get. So we discussed what? Briefly what? How to do the breadth first search, and then what? Depth first search in a particular graph. Now we will discuss the algorithm for breadth first and what? Depth first search.